19 inspiring move-on quotes to keep moving forward. Find inspiring move-on quotes to find the motivation to keep moving in your life. Whatever happens in your life, you should try to keep moving forward, otherwise, you will waste your valuable time. This is the law of the world. Time doesn't wait for anyone. It is true that it is a little difficult to understand about the move on in your tough times. If someone has lost his loved one, if someone's romantic life has come to an end, then it is difficult to think of moving forward. Moving on can be difficult, but not impossible. Even in a tough time, if you think of moving forward, you will find many ways. What has happened to you is not new. Often this happens to everyone, and people keep moving forward. You must move on too. We are sharing here the best inspiring quotes about move on to help you to keep moving in your tough time. Inspiring move-on quotes. The best inspiring move-on quotes to keep moving forward in your life. 1. Every day is a new day, and you'll never be able to find happiness if you don't move on. Carrie Underwood. 2. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. Robert Frost. 3. Let go of the heavy pains of yesterday, and you will feel lighter to float on top with your values. Israel Moore Ivor. 4. Let go of the people who dull your shine, poison your spirit, and bring you drama. Cancel your subscription to their issues. Steve Maraboli. 5. Let not pain ruin you. Make it a motivation for you to change and live a new life instead. Val Irvin Mabeau. 6. Letting go is hard, but being free is beautiful. Wilder Poetry. Best short move-on quotes. Read the best short move-on quotes, move one step ahead of your life. 7. Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keep moving forward, and savoring the journey. Roy T. Bennett. 8. Love yourself enough to move forward from whatever mistakes you may have made. Akarok Brost. 9. Moving is not about forgetting. It's about moving forward and never looking back. Emania Margria. 10. Never look back. You may only find what you left or let you go. Stefanos Livos. 11. Peace can only be achieved by letting go of the past and accepting what is. Abhishek Kumar. 12. Sometimes, in order to find happiness, one must allow some old bridges to collapse in order to build better ones. Lionel Suggs. Motivational move-on quotes to move forward. 13. Success is a choice, a promise that you make to yourself to keep moving forward. Elizabeth Bourgeois. 14. Things may not happen the way you desire or planned. It may happen in some other way. You have to face it. You should move on in your life. Sudhal Murthy. Read Sudhal Murthy's thought on the meaning of real life. 15. Time doesn't heal emotional pain. You need to learn how to let go. Roy Bennett. 16. We could do ourselves a tremendous favor by letting go of the people who poison our spirit. Steve Maraboli. 17. When you can't go back, you only have to worry about the best way of moving forward. Paulo Coelho. 18. You are allowed to let go of all those that do not set you free anymore. Themon. 19. You learn to move on without the people you love. Bret Easton Ellis. Final words. I hope you liked the above inspiring move on quotes. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below. You may also like the motivational quotes mentioned below. Also, you can join our Instagram page to get daily positive lines, or you can visit our Pinterest page to get motivational images.